Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect WP form after submission based on drop-down value selected by user in WP Form Pro plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP Form Pro plugin. Now go to Form Builder. Now you see drop down. Now click on it. So we have two options, student, professional. So if user select student, then redirect to another link. If user select professional, then redirect to another link. So you can add link according to requirement, and we are using Pro plugin. And if you are using free version of this plugin, then you can find video link in video description and check out that video where you will find how to redirect WP form using custom code in free version. Now go to settings, so click on it. So we are in confirmation, so this is default confirmation. Now you see, so we are going to add new confirmation, so click on it. So you can add confirmation name. So we added student confirmation name and then click on OK. Now you see new confirmation, we added confirmation type message. So we are going to redirect user based on student drop down value. Now select URL. So you can add URL here. So we added google.com. If user select student from drop down, then redirect to google.com after form submission, and then you see enable conditional logic. Now enable this option and then you see use. Now select field drop down is. Now select is and then you see choice student and then click on save. If you want, you can add more option. If user select professional, then redirect to another website. For this you can click on add new confirmation, add name and then click on OK. So this is our new confirmation. Now select go to URL. Now add any URL here. Now paste and then you see enable conditional logic, so click on it. Now you see use this confirmation. Select field drop down is. Now select professional. If user select professional in drop down, then redirect to this link and then click on save. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now fill this form. Now add name, drop down select student. If user select student, then redirect to google.com. Now select add email and then click on submit. Now you see submission done and redirect to google.com. Now go to form builder. So you can add condition according to requirement for drop down. If you are using free version of this plugin, then you can find video link in video description for how to redirect form submission using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.